Let's check it out. 2001 740i BMW. I think it's the IL. Lowered back in time. I love the new lights he put in. Those look good. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done. So we fixed here, they were leaking. So we cut the flanges out and just welded it. Then, cats are right here. Then we ran 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Straight pipe. Because you know what? Why not? Who cares? You'll live once, so might as well enjoy it by straight piping it. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. Guys, 2017 BMW 740i with every sensor you can think of. It's even got a camera up here. Look at that. Sensors all over. He said it does self-driving and moves like if it feels a car veered to the side of it, it moves by itself. Xenons, all these things. It's really cool. Technologically advanced.
تكنولوجيا
Technologically advanced car for 2017, which is insane. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done on it. So it's still got a factory converter up there, 3.5-inch pipe all the way to the mid. It's got a resonator there. We kept the resonator on for now. We might take it off. We'll see how it sounds. Then 3-inch pipe continues out the back. And then we did a custom Y pipe, as you guys can see right there. I don't know if you can see it right there. Custom Y pipe. There's that valve that was on it. So we welded it to the side of the custom Y pipe. Move it this way. And then out the back on each side. There. And right there. So we had to take this whole plastic shroud to do it. But there's the custom Y pipe. There's the pipe to this side. And there's the pipe to this side. And there's the valve. You can see the valve better. So the car thinks it's still there. When it goes to sport mode or any other mode, it opens up by itself. There's the stock muffler that was on it right there. It's single in, dual out. The valve was on this side, and there's the other side there. So it's fully straight piped with stage 2 tune. Stage 2. Much better. Wow, it's so loud. Did you hear that startup, guys? Give it gas. I love it. So EuroWorks did a tune for him. It's a stage 2 tune. Again. I love it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. 115. I love it. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. Here's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Bro, it sounds perfect. Sucker's loud. He's a soldier too. We appreciate his service. Make sure you guys say thank you to a soldier whenever you see him. Service members, we can't be where we're at without them. Let you guys hear on the inside. Oh, that's a big difference. At idle, it's right at 85, 86. That's at idle, guys. Rev it. Yeah, that's clean. I don't think it needs more than that, though. That's perfect. Now it sounds like a Beamer. Here's sound decibels. Perfect. So it's right at under 100. Go ahead and back it out. You like it? You want more?
I love it. I'm good. I love it.
No, you're good?
All right.
She looks good and she sounds good. Best of both worlds. I like it. It's perfect. Nothing crazy, just perfect for a BMW. Let you guys hear it on the inside. And we're gonna tag him, guys. He has a huge following on Instagram. So make sure you guys go follow him. He does a lot of car content. So we'll tag him in our video, okay? Make sure you guys give him a follow. We really appreciate him bringing this car in. He brings a lot. This is his 4th car he brings into us. So make sure you guys go give him a follow. This is the owner of the car now. He's gonna rev it to 7,000 RPM. Go ahead. Let her rip, tater chip. Enjoy it, bro. Thank you so much, man. He's gotta hear the stardom. It's so loud. He said he's gonna turn around and come back and do a full Yui. Let's see if he does it. Hold on. Stay tuned, guys. That's so funny. I love it. 740i BMW. Got a sexy stance to it. Such a beautiful car. I was shocked that it came with the 6-cylinder turbo, the same motor that's in the Supra. Oh yeah. Heard a little burble. Once he takes that resonator off, it'll make a huge difference.